Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a music showdown. I will be playing the piano against my sister behind me, Lily.
Hi guys, I'm here, as you can see.
Okay, not much to say apart from just to get on with the video. Let's go.
First we're going to have my brother and then we're going to have me.
You can see my piano. Yeah?
Sorry, leave it. Guys, it's going to be my brother, so that's okay.
This is just me. I got a guitar booklet, which my sister doesn't know how to play.
Yeah.
Just turning it on. Okay.
Guys, my brother's there.
1 second. I'm sorry, guys. Some YouTube's keep starting. Okay, you ready? Let's go.
Guys, my brother's going to start at any second now.
Just go full master volume.
Now.
Let's go. Sorry, that was an accident.
Guys, can you hear my brother?
That was a little bit of me playing. I'm just going to play with no mess ups.
Now my he's going to...
Oh, come on. Okay, that's it. Now,
It's over to me.
No, it's not yet. So now I'm gonna play it in a different tone. So I'm now gonna be playing it in 9/9, which is this. So
Guys, it's kind of a
play.
funny life, you know. Guys, my brother's playing and I know you can hear him, but I'm right here. So he's just focusing on the video and well, he's not listening.
Okay, guys, that's me.
That's my brother.
I'm over.
And
Now it's my sister's turn. Whoops.
And as you might know, I'm playing the guitar.
And me, at the end, I might have a go on the guitar because I know something that Lily doesn't know.
Come on, let's go.
If you don't know, I'm Alfie.
And
Soon I'm going to change my username from...
And I'm Lily.
Yeah, they know you're Lily.
Let's start it.
Okay.
I'm not ready yet.
Okay. That's not how you hold it. Wait. Are you winning? As you can tell, my sister... As you can tell, my sister doesn't exactly know the guitar. Oh, just saying. Give us a bit. In the comments below, say who you think has the best audition. Me? Say Alfie or Lily. I'm now gonna have a go on hers. But leave a big fat thumbs up for this video. Bye. That's just bye for Lily.
Guys, I'm still going to be recording as you can see me.
Leave it there. I'm trying to find a perfect recording position.
No.
Okay, so. I know what I'm doing. You can leave a link in the comments saying what you would like me to do in my future videos. Okay, now I'm gonna get on with the guitar.
Hi guys, I'm back.
Okay, ready?
Let's go.
Let me just quickly find the note. This. I'm only playing one small note, which is this. It's much easier.
Okay,
Big note.
I'm gonna hand over to my brother, and I don't really know how to work this computer. I'm not outside. I don't really know how to work.
Oh, got it.
Now my brother's gonna start, and I might talk a bit through it. But okay, so we'll start now. Oh, he already started.
I finished my audition.
And he finished. So we're gonna show you a guitar book.
Pass me my Alfred, good guitar book.
Here is our guitar book.
This is the book that I learn in. It should no. I'm not giving this one. So this is different songs and how you play them. And there's also even a disc, which I've done quite a few times. I've completed it a lot. Don't worry guys, I'll make Lily a channel soon. And she'll record lots of her videos at any time. And in her giveaway, she's giving away this plastic thingy, which I don't know how it works.
I know.
It's quite annoying.
I know it is. Okay, and I'm
That's
giving away.
That's your giveaway.
I know, but I'm gonna give away something else.
Me, not yet.
I
I don't
give away
have a
stuff if it's a boy. I'm gonna go and go. Oh, and I'm giving away, if I can find what I'm looking for.
A what? No, you're not giving away a
I
gun.
know, the one that you don't like.
I like all of them.
Okay, then you grab.
You don't know where they are, Lily.
No, I'm looking for it.
I know where they are.
Well,
Okay, I'll give a race. Okay, we're gonna have a race. Me, I found it.
okay, can I see what's in on that?
You don't like? I don't like.
Guys, that takes quite a long while.
No, I don't. I found it straight away.
And my channel name is going to
No,
be
she hasn't got one yet.
Yeah,
we're
but
gonna
I'm
name.
just telling
We're
you
gonna
what-
tell.
I've already got my channel name.
You don't, but you don't have a channel yet, so you
So
won't. Be
I
able
don't have a channel yet, but my channel is going to be
Unicorns.
called Always Sparkles.
No, always.
No, Always Unicorns.
No, Lily Sparkles.
No,
Unicorn.
Unicorns.
Lily Sparkles.
No, it's Always Unicorns.
Always unicorn. I literally got this stuff from Always Alyssa
Yeah.
from Family Fun Park.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to end the video here. I might add some music at the end of this video. Well, there's probably gonna be some through the whole way, so I'm not gonna add any. Hey.
Guys, I know I can't see me either.
Bye. Lily, say bye.
Bye, guys. I'll see you in our next video. Yeah.